Hi everybody, this is Jill, and this is Jill for Today. I am diving into the world of microgreens. I have seen it, in the stores in the past, and they're terribly expensive, even if they have them. So I caught this on Amazon, and I decided to give it a try. So I'm going to introduce it today and get it set up, and then I will take however long, I think it's 7 to 10 days, and I'll do little vignettes on one whole video, and then we'll do that. So I want to show you what's in here, and it's very easy to set up. In fact, I need some scissors. I only opened it up just to find out what you do. So here's your instructions, actually right on the inside of the cardboard, so they've been very efficient. And you get these seed packets. In the kit, you get 2 of them. One is hearty broccoli seed, and the other is super salad mix. And this is I think I didn't have a choice on these, but when you reorder, you do have a big variety you can choose from. So I'm going to open this one up. We're going to go with super salad. And I'm going to open here, as it says. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, it's got a little perforated jobby there. All right. So I'm going to open this up, and they call this a quilt tray. You can see in there, see all those little seeds in there. And then on the back side of it is kind of a cocoa mat kind of a thing. So I'll bring you down, and we're going to do this together. All right, they have a line in here. It's called the fill line. I'm sure you can't see it, but it says to put water up to that fill line, and you only have to water it once. That's what they say. All right, I'm at that fill line right there. And then it says to put the mat in, the quilt as they're calling it, with the cocoa side down. I'll make sure I've got that right. Yep. And to press it down evenly to wet it. Hold down for 10 seconds, letting the seed quilt soak up the water, turning a darker shade. Well, I don't see any difference in the paper. I'm going to hold down for 10 seconds, turning a shade darker. Well, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Okay, so that is that. So what's going to happen is that cocoa mat underneath is going to start bringing water up, and it's going to germinate all these seeds in here. Oh my gosh, I see my camera's not straight. Sorry about that. All right, I've got the mat, wet, and it says that I can put it in any lighting. Doesn't have to be, greenhouse lighting. It just says, don't worry, good natural light is fine. They don't need much light to grow. It says if you don't have natural light, just put it on your kitchen counter. And I think pretty much that is what I'm going to do. And it says from 4 to 6 days, it starts to germinate, and then 7 to 10 days, it's harvest time. So I will go ahead and, as I said, document this all the way through, and at the end I will put it all together in a final video. So you'll see the different steps, but I won't drag you over several days. So this is exciting. I can't wait to see how it works, and when we are all done with this project, we'll be